panic today. Flights were again closed at Catania Airport after ashfall from the eruption of Mount Etna. On the nearby island of Stromboli, the Civil Protection Agency issued its highest red alert, warning that the situation there could worsen. The volcano there also began erupting earlier this week, sending ash clouds 2 kilometers high into the sky and spilling lava into the sea. Catania Airport was closed on Friday due to potential risks from atmospheric ash from Mount Etna. One of Europe's most active volcanoes, Etna began erupting on Tuesday, sending lava flows into a 3,320-meter high cone on the Italian island of Sicily. The runway at Catania Airport is unusable due to volcanic ashfall. Arrivals and departures are suspended, the airport said in a statement. Flights resumed at around 3 p.m. local time, although some service restrictions remain in effect. In Catania, Mayor Enrico Trentino issued an order on Friday banning two-wheeled vehicles for 48 hours and limiting the speed limit to 30 kilometers per hour due to the amount of ash falling on the city prompted the Italian Civil Protection Agency to raise the alert level for the region from green to yellow. Italy's Civil Protection Department, which raised its alert level to yellow, warned that this was not a one-off incident. Italy, together with Iceland, has the largest concentration of active volcanoes in Europe and is one of the first countries in the world whose population is most exposed to volcanic risk, they said in a statement. Active or potentially active volcanoes are located in Italy's south with varying degrees of danger. The department also advised local residents and tourists to follow the Civil Protection Authority's instructions broadcast on radio, TV, in daily print media, on the internet and through the various toll-free numbers that will be set up. Meanwhile, on the nearby island of Stromboli, the protection agency, the Civil Service, issued its highest red alert, warning the situation there could worsen. The volcano there also began erupting earlier this week, spewing ash clouds 2 kilometers high into the sky and spilling lava into the sea. Since yesterday, Stromboli has been under special surveillance with greater attention due to its red level, so the scale of attention is maximum, said Fabrizio Curcio, head of the Civil Protection Department in Italy. An information campaign has been carried out for citizens, and of course there is a strengthened scientific monitoring system. Mount Etna lit up the Sicilian sky last night, November 12, after several months of calm as one of the world's most active volcanoes. Etna's dramatic displays are rarely out of the headlines for long. In August, Catania Airport was forced to temporarily close and driving restrictions imposed following an eruption that spewed ash into the surrounding area. In 2021, Etna ejected so much volcanic material over a 6-month period that its height increased by almost 30 meters. This year there have been several eruptions. Websites like Volcano Discovery track Mount Etna's activity in detail, and you can watch a live stream of the volcano on the Etna Observatory site. Most of the time, Mount Etna's eruptions are classified as low-level volcanic activity. These include ash columns, lava bursts, and Strombolian eruptions, light bursts of magma that remain dramatic to observe. Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology said that the height of last night's eruption column was estimated to be around 4,500 meters above sea level. Mount Etna is considered a safe volcano. Most of its eruptions do not harm visitors or residents in the area. Often, the biggest inconvenience is the ash that covers surrounding cities during eruptions. This also forces Catania Airport to close occasionally, as happened earlier this week and in May this year. The volcano is under strict supervision. Catania's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology has a system of cameras, sensors, computers and human controls on site that records and communicates vibrations in real time. However, the volcano sometimes poses a threat. In 1928, the entire town of Mascali was destroyed. In the 1990s, lava flows threatened the town of Zaffarana Etnia and had to be directed away by digging a canal. Most recently, in 2002, a lava burst destroyed shops, hotels and restaurants in the Piano Provenzano area. What's more, Etna should not be underestimated by visitors who want to climb its slopes.